Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the BenQ PD3225U 32-inch 4K monitor designed specifically for MacBook users. This is a professional display featuring IPS black technology with 2000:1 contrast ratio, delivering deeper blacks than standard IPS panels. It comes factory calibrated with a color technology covering 98% P3, 100% sRGB, and 100% Rec. .709 color spaces. Let me break down the specs. It has a 31.5-inch IPS black panel with 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 resolution and 400 nits brightness. Color accuracy is exceptional with delta E less than or equal to 2, factory calibrated with uniform corner-to-core brightness. VESA DisplayHDR 400 certified with HDR10 support. The Thunderbolt 3 port delivers 85W power delivery, charging your MacBook with a single cable. A second Thunderbolt 3 port supports daisy chaining dual 4K monitors. Additional connectivity includes 2x HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB hub with 4 USB ports, and KVM switch for controlling 2 computers with 1 keyboard and mouse. Built-in 2.5W speakers handle basic audio with 3.5mm headphone jack. The stand offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustment with VESA 100 by 100mm mount compatibility. Includes Hotkey Puck G2 controller for easy OSD navigation. MBook mode matches MacBook color perfectly, and Display Pilot 2 software enables convenient control. The IPS black technology delivers true 2000:1 contrast for deep blacks and excellent shadow detail. Thunderbolt connectivity with 85W charging transforms this into a docking station, eliminating cable clutter. The factory calibration ensures color-critical work right out of the box with Pantone and Calman verification. Hotkey Puck makes switching between color modes effortless. If you want a premium 4K monitor built for Mac with Thunderbolt hub and exceptional color accuracy, the BenQ PD3225U delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.